Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can open and use Notepad in your Tecno smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your this Notepad. From here you can click on plus to create a new notes. You can just copy and paste here. You want to draw it, edit a picture, write a recording. You can draw anything from here. Here it is to do option. If you have the task and you have not to do, you can just click on welcome to do and save it and set alarm that this task I have to do it. Friends, by clicking on this plus icon you can just add an image. You can just choose it from your AI gallery photos. You can just take a photo from here. You can just write here sketch and draw anything like this. You can see, just you can draw anything, sketch like this, and you can save it also. Just record here and set a alarm for this like this, and you can write a text also here. Here it is the text option. You can just write anything, click on this tick option and it will be saved. You can see like this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.